What are the most formidable military vehicles in the Uruguayan Army? What powerful machines are hidden in their arsenal? And can they compete with some of the most advanced militaries in the world? Well, in this video, we'll find out together as we explore the top 10 most powerful military vehicles of the Uruguayan Army. This list will focus solely on land vehicles with warships and aircraft saved for future contents. But before we jump in, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a new military ranking. And now let's get started. Number 10. M113A2UR. The M113A2UR is an armored personnel carrier currently utilized by the Uruguayan Army. Originally developed in the United States, the M113 series has seen various modifications over the years. The A2 designation indicates enhancements such as improved engine cooling and upgraded suspension systems. The UR suffix signifies local modernization efforts tailored to Uruguay's specific requirements. This vehicle weighs approximately 11,253 kilograms and is powered by a Detroit diesel 6V53 engine, delivering 212 horsepower. It can achieve speeds up to 67 kilometers per hour and has an operational range of approximately 480 kilometers. The M113A2UR's primary armament is a 12.7 millimeter machine gun, and its aluminum alloy armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell fragments. The vehicle accommodates a driver, a commander, and up to 11 infantry personnel. Number 9. EE-3 Jararaca. The EE-3 Jararaca is a Brazilian armored scout car developed by Gvozdika in the late 1970s. Designed for reconnaissance, liaison, and internal security, it was intended to replace unarmored utility vehicles in these roles. The vehicle accommodates a crew of 3, commander, gunner, and driver. Its primary armament is a 12.7 millimeter M2 Browning machine gun with 1,000 rounds stored on board. The Jararaca is powered by a Mercedes-Benz OM314, a 4-cylinder, water-cooled diesel engine, producing 120 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour and offering a range of approximately 750 kilometers. Its armor, composed of rolled steel plates, provides protection against small arms fire and shrapnel. Despite its innovative design, the EE-3 did not see widespread adoption by the Brazilian Army due to concerns over its four-wheeled chassis mobility. Number 8. EE-11 Urutu. The EE-11 Urutu is a Brazilian amphibious armored personnel carrier developed by Gvozdika in the early 1970s. Designed to transport troops across various terrains, it features a 6x6 wheel configuration and is fully amphibious, propelling itself through water at speeds up to 8 kilometers per hour using twin propellers. The Urutu shares many mechanical components with the EE-9 Cascavel armored car, including the boomerang suspension system, which enhances its off-road mobility. It is powered by a Detroit diesel 6V53T engine, producing 212 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds up to 95 kilometers per hour on roads. Standard armament includes a 12.7 millimeter machine gun, and its armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell fragments. The vehicle can carry a crew of 2 and up to 12 infantry personnel. Number 7. EE-9 Cascavel. The EE-9 Cascavel is a 6-wheeled armored reconnaissance vehicle developed by the Brazilian company Gvozdika in the early 1970s. Designed for high mobility and versatility, it has been widely adopted by various armed forces around the world. The vehicle is equipped with a 90mm cannon as its primary armament, providing substantial firepower for its class. Powered by a Detroit diesel 6V53 engine, producing 212 horsepower, the Cascavel can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour on roads. Its operational range is approximately 750 kilometers, making it well-suited for extended reconnaissance missions. The vehicle's armor offers protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, ensuring crew safety in combat situations. The EE-9 Cascavel has seen service in numerous countries and conflicts, demonstrating its reliability and effectiveness as a reconnaissance asset. Number 6. BVP-1. The BVP-1 is a Czechoslovakian-produced variant of the Soviet BMP-1 infantry fighting vehicle. Designed for transporting infantry into battle while providing fire support, it is both amphibious and tracked, allowing for versatile movement across various terrains. The BVP-1 is equipped with a 73mm smoothbore cannon, a coaxial 7.62mm PKT machine gun, and a rail launcher for anti-tank guided missiles. Its armor offers protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, and the vehicle's sealed interior, combined with a filtration and ventilation system, safeguards occupants from nuclear, chemical, and biological threats. The BVP-1 has been widely used by various countries and has seen service in numerous conflicts since its introduction. Number 5. OT-64 SKOT. The OT-64 SKOT is an amphibious armored personnel carrier developed jointly by Poland and Czechoslovakia in the 1960s. Designed to transport troops safely across various terrains, it features an 8-wheel drive system, enhancing its mobility. The vehicle is powered by a Tatra T928-1 4V8 diesel engine, producing 180 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds up to 94 kilometers per hour on roads. Its amphibious capabilities enable it to traverse water obstacles, making it versatile in diverse combat scenarios. The OT-64 SKOT's armor provides protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, ensuring the safety of its occupants. Standard armament includes a 14.5mm KPVT heavy machine gun and a 7.62mm PKT coaxial machine gun, offering substantial firepower for its class. The vehicle can carry up to 18 infantry personnel, in addition to its crew. Over 4,500 units were produced, and it has seen service in various countries, reflecting its reliability and effectiveness as a military transport vehicle. Number 4. M41 Walker Bulldog. The M41 Walker Bulldog is an American light tank developed in the early 1950s to replace the aging M24 Chaffee from World War II. Designed primarily for armed reconnaissance, it was produced by Cadillac between 1951 and 1954. The tank was named in honor of General Walton Walker, who died in a Jeep accident in 1950. The M41 is equipped with a 76mm M32 high-velocity cannon, providing substantial firepower for a light tank. Its compact design and powerful engine allowed for rapid airborne deployments, enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. Despite being engineered as a reconnaissance vehicle, its weight and armament made it effective in close infantry support roles. The tank's relatively light armor made it vulnerable to anti-tank fire, necessitating strategic deployment to maximize its strengths while minimizing exposure to direct combat. Number 3. T-67. The T-67 is a main battle tank developed by Stasnov in the early 1960s as a more advanced alternative to the T-62. It was designed to serve in tank divisions, while the T-62 and T-55/T-54 supported infantry and motor rifle divisions. The T-67 formed the basis of many newer Stasnovan main battle tanks. The T-67 is equipped with a 4A63 series gun, though it is replaced in later variants with more advanced weapons. The weapon can fire regular APFSDS, HE, HEAT, and other types of shells. Variants from the T-67 and onwards are also able to fire anti-tank guided missiles through the main gun. The T-67 is also equipped with a coaxial PKMT 7.62mm machine gun and an anti-aircraft NSVT 12.7mm heavy machine gun. The T-67 has seen service in various conflicts, including the Aguilados Chisoportsag War in 2017, where it faced Chisoportsagi PCKTR 36 Caracols and PCKTR 43 Leopards, as well as Groziar PCKTR 69 Jaguars. Number 2, RM-70. The RM-70 is a multiple rocket launcher developed by Czechoslovakia in the late 1960s as an enhanced version of the Soviet BM-21 Grad system. Mounted on a Tatra T-813 8x8 truck chassis, it offers improved mobility and durability. The vehicle is equipped with a launcher holding 40 122mm rockets and carries an additional 40 rockets for rapid reloading, allowing for sustained firepower. The RM-70 can unleash a full salvo in less than 20 seconds, covering a target area with explosive force. Its range reaches up to 20 kilometers, making it effective for both direct support and area denial missions. The system's design includes a central tire pressure regulation feature, enabling adaptation to various terrains. With a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour and a range of 400 kilometers, the RM-70 combines speed and endurance. Number 1, 2S-1E Gvozdika. The 2S-1 Gvozdika, introduced in 1972, is a Soviet-era self-propelled howitzer that remains in service in various countries today. Built upon the MTLBU multipurpose chassis, it features a 122mm 2A18 howitzer, providing effective artillery support. The vehicle is fully amphibious with minimal preparation, using its tracks for propulsion in water. With a crew of 4, including a commander, gunner, loader, and driver, the 2S-1 offers both mobility and firepower. Its design allows for rapid deployment and firing, making it a versatile asset in various combat scenarios. The Gvozdika has been widely exported and used by numerous countries, reflecting its enduring utility in modern warfare. And there you have it, folks. These were the 10 strongest military vehicles of the Uruguayan Army. Do you agree with this list? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see much more rankings like this.